Most people believe weight loss comes only from endless cardio sessions and strict dieting. But here's the truth. There's one powerful movement that burns fat, builds strength, and reshapes your entire body. The surprising part? Almost no one takes full advantage of it. That movement is the squat. Squats aren't just a leg exercise. They're a full-body powerhouse that activates your glutes, quads, hamstrings, core, and even your back. Done consistently, they boost metabolism, build muscle, and accelerate fat loss, making them one of the most effective and underrated exercises for total transformation. When done correctly, squats turn your entire body into a calorie-burning machine. Here's why they work so well. Building muscle isn't just about looking toned. Muscle is your body's most metabolically active tissue. The more muscle you build, the more calories you burn, even while resting. And squats are one of the fastest ways to add lean muscle and boost your metabolism. But here's the catch. Most people avoid squats because they feel hard or intimidating. Many prefer machines at the gym or quick cardio sessions, missing out on the benefits of this foundational movement. Skipping squats doesn't just slow your fat loss, it limits your strength, mobility, and athleticism over time. When you squat, you're not just working your legs, you're training your entire body to move better. Every rep strengthens your joints, improves balance, and teaches your muscles to work as a team. This is why athletes, trainers, and fitness experts all agree, squats are king. Here's how to start if you're a beginner. Start with bodyweight squats, aiming for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Focus on perfect form, feet shoulder-width apart, chest up, hips back. Once you're comfortable, add resistance with dumbbells, kettlebells, or a barbell to increase calorie burn. Combine squats with a balanced diet and short, intense workouts for the best fat loss results. Squats are not just an exercise, they're a foundation for a strong, lean body. By making them part of your daily routine, you'll accelerate fat loss, boost your metabolism, and feel stronger than ever. So, are you ready to stop chasing shortcuts and start losing fat? Commit to squats today and watch your body change. Looking for more powerful tips and fat-burning workouts? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Your transformation starts today. Let's do this together.